Welcome, today in front of me ASUS Zenfone 9 and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So just first we should open notification panel shortcuts, and after that somewhere here we should find the scan QR codes icon. Just click here once and now we should just place our QR code here in this frame. So by this way, after that let's just wait a second, and now we can see that just our device directly open this Wikipedia article, this link, so you can after that just copy this link if you want and send to someone, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.